ready for our Easter lesson today? Alright, we need a few things before we start. Okay, so you need to make sure you ask your parents if you've got some drink bottles, and some towels, and some teddy bears that you might be able to use, and some spoons, and an egg. Okay, so if you don't have the egg, you might get a chocolate egg, or it could be a ball, or a tennis ball that you have around. Okay? But before we start our class, we need to make sure we do our warm-up. So make sure you have lots of space around you, so you're not going to bump into anything. And we're going to do a chicken dance. Now, first of all, we're going to practice some of the actions. Okay? So if you want to do this, with their hands, clack, 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 clack. And do this, flap, 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 flap. And then we're going to wiggle our tail. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Then we're going to clap. And the other thing we're going to do is jump with our feet. So we're going to go in, out. Out, in, out. Out, in, out, in. There's nothing on the ground. All right, ready? Okay, now at practice about we have to do our special gymnastic shape. Do you remember them from last term? First of all, we can do a rocket shape, super tall. Make sure your toes are together and you're reaching up as tall as you can. Oh, I think some of you have grown over the holidays. And a star shape, nice and wide. And this for our, practicing our cartwheels. Can we rock? Side to side. Well done. Next shape's our motorbike shape. What noise does a motorbike make? Vroom, vroom, vroom. That's right. Can we jump? Motorbike. Well done. Ready? And jump. 1 gymnastics, 2 gymnastics, 3 gymnastics. Ta-da! Good job. Our next shape is a front support shape. Who remembers that one? We have to have straight arms. Oh, super strong. Well done. Can you wave? Hi. And we can practice back support. Hands go down and belly button up. Oh, very good. Who remembers the super tricky level? Feet together and straight. Good job. My favourite shape is a tuck shape. Who can show me that one? Squeeze your knees in as much as you can. Make yourself a super small. Now it's super cool today because we're doing Easter. And this shape looks like an Easter egg. Alright, legs out nice and straight. L shape. Well done. Now we're going to pretend to be a butterfly for our stretches today. But first we have to be a caterpillar. Creeping our caterpillar. Creep, 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 creep. Nibble your toes. And then we're a butterfly. Flap them up to the roof. And caterpillar. Creeping, 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 creeping. Nibble your toes. And butterfly. Super tall. Well done. Feet together. Hold on to your toes. Now we've got our butterfly wings. Flap, flap, flap. And then we can see if we can smell our toes. Ready? Block your nose first, take a breath. And smell your toes. Hope you washed your toes this morning. Let's try it again. Ready? Smell your toes. Keep holding it. Man. Alright, I think we've done our stretches. Now we're doing some Easter activities. Now I've got my Easter egg, my Easter bunny's ears on today. You'll have to bring yours as well. Okay, so we're going to be Easter bunnies. Love to jump. Can you show me your Easter bunny ears like this? And your tail. There it is. Show me your ears again. And your tail. Very good. Right, now we're going to see if we can practice some Easter bunny jumps. Ready? Let's go. Boing, boing, boing. Well done. Can you jump forwards? Jump and back. Jump. Make sure we let them move back. Forwards and back. Well done. We can also jump side to side. So we're going to go this way and the other way. We can do it slow. Try again. And the other way. And we can go fast. Boing, 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 boing. Now sometimes the Easter bunnies can go around in circles as well. Should we try that one? Easter bunny ears on. And go. Boing, 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 boing. And the other way. Boing, boing. Whoops. Don't lose your ears. Okay, wow, you guys are pretty good Easter bunnies. Now Easter bunnies are super clever when they're gymnasts because they practice their handstands as well. Should we practice some handstands? Now we have to keep our arms super straight. Hands on the ground like this. And we're going to jump our feet. Boing. Just like a bunny. Ready? Ready? Go. Jump. Boing. Can you go up and down? Fast. And slow. Well done. Now we can make this a little bit tricky as well. Who can go side to side? So hands go down first. Jump sideways and back. Side and back. Really fast. And then slow. Jump. We can also bunny hop forward. Ready? Forwards. Turn around, back again. I wonder if we can go around in circles. Ready? Who thinks they can do that challenge? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Did it! Okay, now the next activity we're going to do is some Easter egg rolls. Okay? So who can make their Easter egg shape like they did before? Nice and small. Tuck your knees. Have to hold your knees in nice and tight. Now this Easter egg is going to roll backwards first. So make sure there's nothing behind you. Nothing behind me. Ready, steady, go. It's really sore. I'll have to edit that one in, and I'll do one with a nice thumb mat. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, let's see if we can make our little tuck shape again, and we're going to roll backwards. So make sure you've got something nice and soft behind you. Could be the carpet or some grass. Okay? Hug your knees in as much as you can. Ready, steady, go, roll! Whee! That was good. Oh, almost lost my ears. Should we try again? Ready, hug your knees. Ready, steady, go, roll! Whee! That's pretty good. Now we can also practice rolling sideways, because eggs like to roll sideways. So to start on your back like this, hug your knees. We're going to roll over to one side and roll back. Whee! Whoops. And back again. Well done. Now the next activity, we're going to use our spoon. So let's see if you can find your spoon and your egg. Here's mine. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can hold my spoon super tight and put the egg in the spoon like this. Whoa, it's pretty heavy, so I have to be pretty strong. Who else can do that? Okay, ready? Now we have arms out, one hand now, and And then 1 foot. Whoa, this is tricky. Got to keep the egg very still. Well done. I can see some people doing that at home. And then the other leg. Up. Woo. Very good. Now who can go on their tippy toes? Ready? Tippy toes. Whoa, whoa. Keep still. Suck your tummy in. And then we might see if we can turn around in a circle. Round we go. And the egg's still there. Well done. Can you swap hands? Whoops. Should go around again. Let's go. Ready? Round we go. Whoa, that one's trickier in the other hand. Then we're going to go down. And up. Well done. Who's ready for the next challenge? Now before we do this super secret Easter Bunny circuit, we have to start setting up. So I've set up a few things already. So you might have to ask your mum and dad for some things. I've got some drink bottles and some teddies and some old towels that we're going to use. Okay, so I'm just going to put them in the right place. Ready? So I'm going to put this one over here, teddy over here, and this one over here. Okay, so you'll have to set this up at home. And I've also used some chairs and an old sheet or a blanket to go over the top. Okay, are we ready? Here's our challenge. We're going to start over here at the blue line. I'm going to see if I can carry my egg all the way around the circle without dropping it. Who thinks you can do it? Me, pick me, I can do it. Ready? Going to hold on tight and go. Okay, I have to go underneath the tunnel. Oh, this is going to be tricky. Bend down I go. Whoa. Keep that egg still. Oh, made it. Okay, now I have to cross the river and I can only touch the stepping stones. Step over. Whoa. Who made that one so big? Oh, it's almost not wet. Correct. That's okay, I'll get another try. Put it on. Whoa, cross the river. Made it. Okay, now I have to practice my running. Off I go. Run, 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 run. Around the hoop. It's a race. Oh, made it around. Now here, I'm going to see if I can touch each of these buckets with my elbows. I have to bend down. Bend down, touch. Egg, you keep still. Bend down, touch. Might swap hands this one. Swap hands, egg. Touch. Whoa. Swap hands again. Oh, touch it. There. Balance on 1 foot. Count to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, swap legs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, did it. Okay. Backwards this time. Turning around. Let's see if I can weave in between the drink bottles and teddy bears. Whoa. Keeping my egg still. Weave around. Whoop, what's that egg? Keep your eye on it. Did it. Now I'm over to the balance beam. Very carefully have to walk across. Arms nice and straight. Looking down where your toes are. Follow the beam. Whoop, we can do it. Uh-oh, I have to turn around. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. It's a tornado. Wow, don't lose the egg. Oh, stay on the line. And finished. Ta-da! Well done. Now you can have a practice at home. How did you go? Did you balance your Easter egg okay? It was pretty tricky for me. You can practice again if you'd like. You might have to make it trickier or harder, or you can even see if you can race your brother or sister. Once we're finished, we're ready for our cool down. Who's ready to join in this activity? Now we might need some adults and mums and dads to help us with this one. So if you're allowed to use scissors on your own, you can do it on your own. Otherwise, you might want to ask them for help. So we can make our very own Easter eggs. Okay? Now, on our emails, we have some Easter eggs for you. Not Easter eggs, sorry. What are they called? Easter ears. Okay, so we have to cut them out. So we cut around the outside, keeping to the lines as best you can. Okay, and then we can colour it in. Now here's some that I've already done earlier. See, I've held these ones in and cut them out. So let's see if you can get your Easter eggs looking just like this. I've used some peachy ones in the middle, but you could choose any colour you like. It could be blue or purple or rainbow or sparkly unicorn rainbow colours. You can choose. Okay, then we need to make a headpiece. Now this one here needs some long piece of paper. So you might use a piece of paper like this, or you might use a newspaper that you have around. And we have to fold it up. So we're going to fold it up like this. Fold, fold, fold. This is when you need adults to help you. We can measure it around our head like this. Oops. Maybe I might have to take her head down for this one. She's got a big head. Okay, and then we need to staple it down the end. So you might need to use an adult for this one too. Staple it. Whoa, what cool staples. Then we get to put the ears on. Put the ears on like this one. You can use glue or you can staple this one. Oops. Here we go. Then you get to put your ears on. Whoop. Mine are dingling in the wind. Okay, well done today. You guys are pretty good at your gymnastics Easter activities. Now we're going to finish up with a bit of a clap. Can you give yourself a clap for your gymnastics today? Well done. And a pat on the back. Ready? Let's do it all together. 1, 2, 3. Well done me. 3, 2, 1. Gymnastics is fun.